Okay, very quick tutorial on how to fold and wrap a perfectly tailored shirt. So, lie the shirt on its back and fasten it all the way up the front, but leave the top button unfastened. Turn the shirt over onto its front with the arms, sleeves hanging down at the side. Flatten it out. We fold the side in until it meets the collar line. The overall width of that needs to be about 6 inches. So fold it into the collar line and then fold the sleeve back on itself, and you should have one line with the folded shirt and the sleeve all down the same edge. We then do the same on the other side to make one neat channel, again with the sleeve, fold it back on itself, one neat line. We then want to fold the shirt roughly into thirds, ending up with the last fold covering the top of the collar. So about there, fold, and again there, fold. Turn the shirt over and it should look like that with the collar unfastened. Then we wrap it in tissue paper. I'm just using one sheet of tissue paper, but you can use 2 if the paper is particularly thin. Lie the shirt in the middle of the tissue paper. Make a 2.5 inch fold at one side and a 2.5 to 3 inch fold at the other side. These may be more or less depending on if the shirt is bigger. Sometimes it will take more wrapping to go around, more tissue to go around. But we fold the right hand side in and over, flattening it down. Left hand side over, flattening it down. Then we take a PT logo sticker and finish it in the middle. That secures it shut. Then at the bottom, just like you're wrapping a birthday present, tuck it in, tuck in at the sides. Very important for a neat finish. Tuck the tip in first, then tuck all of that in and over, and secure that with a piece of tape. Do the same at the top, flattening it down. Always try to get as much air out as possible. Make the point at the top, fold it in, fold the whole thing over and secure with tape. And that's it. If you need to, you can add an additional longer piece just to secure the whole edge if you feel it's not secure enough, and to add a neater finish. That is perfectly tailored wrap shirt.